Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Fiat 500 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, a flathead screwdriver and your new H7 bulb. Make sure your car's engine is off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. You'll access the headlight assembly from behind the wheel arch liner, so be prepared to work in a somewhat confined space. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. To get to the bulb, turn your front wheel fully inward, giving you more room to work. Next, you'll need to remove two plastic clips that hold the wheel arch liner in place. A flathead screwdriver works perfectly for this. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the wheel arch liner. This will reveal the back of the headlight assembly, making the bulb accessible for replacement. Now it's time to replace the bulb. First, unplug the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then you'll see a metal retaining spring. Gently unclip it to release the bulb. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base. With the old bulb out, insert your new H7 bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated correctly. Reattach the metal retaining spring to hold it firmly in place, and then plug the electrical connector back onto the bulb. Finally, push the wheel arch liner back into position and secure it with the two plastic clips. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.